Wolf and the Crane. The wolf had bagged a sheep and devoured it so greedily that a bone got stuck in its throat. In his distress, he offered a great reward to one who would free him from this plight. The crane came as a helper. Happily, he succeeded in the cure, and he now demanded the well-deserved reward. "What?" sneered the wolf. "You insolent creature! Is it not reward enough for you that you managed to get your head out of the jaws of a wolf? Go home, and credit it to my kindness that you are still alive." Help willingly when in trouble, but do not expect thanks from a scoundrel. Be satisfied if he does not harm you.